So here on the hot tub, we're in the salt system menu here. So as you can see, we have our level output here, we have our test status, we have our test bar, and then we have just our boost and replace cartridge. So if I hit the test button here, it's gonna test the hot tub and move this bar depending on getting an accurate update. So on the salt system, the number one thing that we have issues with is it's gonna come up here and it'll say low salt, or it'll say replace the cartridge or something like that. So the number one thing on the hot tub, especially these salt system ones, is you always want to get your pH and alkalinity balance. That's going to be the number one thing. And then also the salt level. A lot of customers, what they'll do is they see the low salt error on there. Obviously this one just says normal, so we don't see that yet. But customers will just throw in salt, And that's not necessarily the right thing to do. It will say a couple different things. Like I said, low salt, pH alkalinity might be out of whack or something. They'll get a lot of error codes on this. Let me go back through here, options, water care, next, salt system. So I tested the test status in the bar. It's testing again, but we're still in the green, which tells me that everything on the salt system is actually functioning.